Who is re-entering the Blackbeard prospect, and which company has big plans for the second quarter of 2008? Will the company have success in the Blue Jacket prospect? All this and more when we come back. Hello and welcome back to EnergyScout News and Information. I'm your host, Reb Byers. Today's segment will focus on independent producers within the energy industry. In breaking news, the chief executive of Hess Corporation warned Tuesday that the oil industry is not making big enough investments to keep up with runway growth and a global demand for oil. John Hess, the chairman and chief executive of New York-based Hess, told the Cambridge Energy Research Associates that an oil crisis is coming in the next 10 years. United States drilling contractor Rowan Companies has bagged a multi-well contract with independent producer McMoran Oil and Gas, which includes re-entering in the Blackbeard prospect. The jackup rig Gorilla No. 4 has been committed for a minimum of 90 days, and work on Blackbeard is priced at a day rate within the mid-190s. The rig will be drilling one or more wells targeting a depth of at least 28,000 feet. Now let's see what's going on with other news in the energy industry. Royale Energy Incorporated has found multiple natural gas field sands in its Goebel well in the company's Sacramento Basin Lone Star field. The well was drilled to a total depth of 6,500 feet and logged pay in 3 separate zones within the Forbes Formation. Completion and testing operations will begin later this week, with production and sales by the end of the month. Sales will begin immediately, and the Andros Island East prospect will be drilled in the second quarter of 2008. Epsilon Energy Limited reported continued favorable results from its ongoing drilling program on its Blue Jacket project in Cable County, West Virginia. The company has a 63% working interest in the Blue Jacket project, which is operated by Hard Rock Exploration. Encouraging oil and gas shows were encountered while drilling the horizontal sections of 2 wells. An oil zone within the gas-prone Lower Huron Shale is very rare, and the company remains unsure of the potential longevity of these wells and their ultimate recovery. The wells will continue to be evaluated to determine their true productive capacity. Let's take a look at today's market numbers. Leading the pack today is Barnwell at 3.94%. Thankfully, no one is lagging behind today. Crude oil is down 81 cents, but still holding high at $92.78. Natural gas is also down 9 cents to $8.43. And now, let's take a quick look at our people on the move. In strange news today, a clothing line to make you look like Michael Myers. I'm Jason.
With names like Hannibal, these hoodies are meant to be provocative. But the makers of the hoodie, Criminal Damage Clothing, say people are getting the wrong idea.
People will always stir up some kind of controversy, to get the limelight. It's not what our company's about. And, you can use 100 everyday items, to do bad things, i.e. robberies. It's not something that we, agree with. It's not something that we're pushing.
In the United States, 2 men wearing similar hoodies robbed a bank in Colorado, and masked hoodies were banned in 6 schools in California.
These hooded masks are the latest design to hit the streets, but because they hide the wearer's face, there are fears that it could lead to increased crime. We hit the streets of London to see what people really think.
Nearly everywhere we went, we turned heads.
Can you tell me what you think about that? Not a lot.
This woman's reaction was different from most people in Camden.
Yeah, not promoting criminals, yet they're called criminal damage clothing. Didn't think that through, did they? And that's it for today's Energy Headlines. Be sure to check out our website at EnergyScout.com, and be sure to stay tuned with us on Monday. We will take a look at production within the energy industry. For Energy Scout News and Information, I'm your host, Red Byers.
Math and science are all around us. And today, they're more important than ever. Because math and science are the very things that will help the world meet critical challenges. Like developing new and innovative ways to deliver more energy while protecting the environment. The solutions to move us forward are everywhere. I'm Matthew Jimenez, and I work for ExxonMobil.